Email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's evolving in 2025. It's your secret weapon to boosting sales and building a loyal customer base. Today, I'm sharing 6 proven ways to take your email marketing to the next level and drive real results. Stay tuned for the 6th way, which is all about optimizing your strategy to get the best results. Hello, how are you guys doing? It's Rob here from InfluxJuice Marketing Agency, and this week we are looking at 6 ways to improve your sales through email marketing. If you don't know this, you need to, because email marketing is the best way to build relationships. Social media is fantastic, but that is not your control. They control that. Instagram, Meta, they have the control and they could wipe you out. You know, it happens. However, if you build an email list, that is yours. Nobody can take that away from you. And that's why today's video is key to help you build your business and boost your sales. And be sure to check the captions, because I've put in a few email services that I've used in the past and that I highly recommend. And if you have any email services that you use that work for you and you want to rave about it, please do rave about it in the comments. If you're not implementing these strategies, you are leaving money on the table. And if you get value from today's video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and even tap on that bell if you want further notifications for future videos. 1. Segment your email list. One size fits all doesn't work in email marketing anymore. Segment your list based on customer interests, location, or purchase history. This lets you send targeted messages that resonate and convert. By tailoring your emails, you increase the relevance and effectiveness of your campaigns. 2. Personalize your emails. People love getting emails that feel like they were written just for them. Use their name, recommend products based on past purchases, and tailor your messaging to their specific needs. Personalization creates a connection and shows your customers that you value their individual preferences. 3. Use compelling subject lines. The subject line is your first impression, so make it count. Create curiosity, offer value, or ask a question. Just make sure it stands out in a crowded inbox. A strong subject line increases the likelihood of your email being opened and read. 4. Optimize for mobile. Over 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices, so make sure your emails are mobile friendly. Use large fonts, clear calls to action, and a responsive design that looks great on any screen. Optimizing for mobile ensures that your message is easily accessible and readable. 5. Include clear CTAs, call to action. Every email should have a clear, compelling CTA, whether it's to buy a product, schedule a call, or download a free resource. Don't leave your readers guessing what to do next. A strong CTA guides your audience and drives them to take the desired action. 6. A/B test your emails. Email marketing isn't set and forget. Test different subject lines, email copy, and CTAs to see what works best. Small tweaks can make a big difference in your open and conversion rates. Regular A/B testing helps you refine your strategy and achieve better results. So as I said, email marketing, do not run away from it. You have to embrace email marketing because it really could send your business into the stratosphere. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools. It always has been, and it is as powerful now as it's ever been. So tell me, which strategy will you be using first? And which strategy did I forget to put in? You tell me what strategy works for you. And that's it for another week. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and it really helps the algorithms to know that you like this video, and it will help it spread it to more people. And you're welcome to subscribe as well if you don't subscribe already, and you can tap on the bell if you want notifications for future videos. And before I go, I will just remind you that in the captions there is a link to the SEM Gem. That is essentially me telling you how InfluxJuice works and how we make sure we give our clients the biggest reach they can get, and it's all about the content we create, and we explain how we do it so you could do it for your own business. Do tune in next week where I'll be revealing the 7 essential SEO strategies to give you a higher rank in 2025. Until then, you guys take care of yourselves. Bye bye.